Why are keyboards so cheap? That's what we are exploring on this video. I'm going to open this keyboard. This is an economic keyboard from HP, the K1-1516, and I'm going to open this and see all the internal components. But before that, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. So let's start opening the keyboard. Let's turn this around, and we got 8 screws. Let's take out the screws. 1, 2, another one, only 4 more. Almost there. Out. And okay. Let's turn this to this one and this one. Now let's open the keyboard. Let's take the front part and this one. Now let's open the keyboard, and voila, this is the internal of the keyboard. On the front we have just plastic with all the keys. The back part we have a plastic case, a cable, a board with a metal thingy with another 3 screws, a rubber key to press, and 3 sheets of plastic with a circuit printed. So let's take everything apart. So we got the front part with all the keys, just plastic, and here the rubber keys. Let's take this. Let's put this part here, this here, and the rubber here, and the printed circuit. We have to take out first the board. So let's take out the screws. 1, 2, and 3 with the metal to create the pressure between the board and the printed circuit. Disconnect the wire, USB cable, and let's see the board. This is the primary thing on the keyboard. This is how the keyboard works. All the information when pressed is received on this board and sent via the USB cable to the computer. So this is why the keyboard is so cheap to make. Just plastic, a few things of metal, and everything just plastic. This is why it's so cheap to make a keyboard. We can see on the top it's just plastic, all the keys is plastic, the case is plastic. On the back is plastic. We have the rubber thing to press the keys, and more sheets of plastic with the circuit printed. Then we have a USB cable that have some value here with the copper, and the most costly thing is this board, this simple board. Now let's take a closer look to the board. It's a very tiny board. On this side we have the connections for the cable, the USB cable, nothing else. On the other side, microcontroller that I can even see the writing. We have 3 LEDs, a few resistors, and the connections to the printed circuit on the plastic, and nothing else. It's very simple. But this is the most complex thing on the keyboard, and it's simple. And this is why these types of keyboard are so cheap to make. Let's just see everything. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Mainly it's plastic. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you have any comment, write it on the comments below because I read and answer to every comment.